Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have an absolutely beautiful 1956 Corvette convertible that's been frame off, nut and bolt restored. And this one has all the available factory options. It is painted in Venetian red with the white coves, and it has the red interior. We'll start here at the rear, so we'll stop the car here, and we can see from the rear here, everything looks beautiful. The paint is just absolutely gorgeous. I'll show you the interior here with the top down. It does have the power convertible top, and it is beige. It's a two-top car, so it does have the hardtop as well. We'll come back here, you can see the Corvette symbol here, and we'll check out some of the chrome here. All the chrome and Brightwork is beautiful. Look at these tail lights. It really shows the depth through the fender there. Here's your antenna, and then here's your rear bumper here, and we have the exhaust integrated back here. It's dual exhaust on both sides. Here's your bumpers, and it looks great. A lot of detail has been paid for attention for the National Corvette Restorers Society. So let's take a look under here, and you can see how beautiful it is under here, how detailed, and it looks just how it came from the factory. You see all the different markings. Just a wonderful job, and you can see even the straight axle with the straps there. That's how it came. Okay, we'll turn the car around here. We'll check out the wheels now. You can see it has the white wall tires. And we'll just stop it here. So it has the white walls. They are the BF Goodrich Silvertown Radials. So these are radials, not what came on the car, but there is another set with the bias ply that actually would have came with the car. So you have two sets of wheels with this car. So you want to take it to shows, put the other ones on, you want to drive it around, this is the set to drive it with. It does have the factory wheel covers, and you can see the spinners there. It is painted body color, the rim itself. And we'll try to see if we can see under here. You can see how beautiful it looks. Really well detailed. I'll take a look at the front tire. Looks great. And then we'll make our way to the interior. So you can see the door jambs look great as well, all underneath. Door panel itself, just a beautiful design. Here's your door handle release. It has power windows, and we'll watch them function here. You can see how well they move, and down again, nice and quick. Chrome is beautiful all the way around the car. Beautiful pattern here, a texture. Here's your locks for the doors and your armrest here. And then we got a nice metal material down here. Show you the dash on this side, just a work of art. Beautiful. The wraparound windshield. Check out the jambs over here. Metal down here looks great. Beautiful. Down here we got carpet. It's all been replaced. You can see it looks like new. And then the seat itself. And we'll scan the condition. And then it has the hardtop tonneau cover. And here's your iconic waterfall here. And then we do have a compartment here to store some stuff there. All right, we will close the door handle now, or the door itself. Let's check out the engine compartment. So the hood is up. You can see it looks great, just how it came from the factory. And then here is your engine. It's a 265 cubic inch motor, and this one has the upgraded factory option of the dual 4-barrel carburetors. It also has the upgraded camshaft for the high lift camshaft. So this motor actually produces 240 horsepower, which is a lot back in 1956. You can see all the parts look great. Your valve covers. We'll walk around this side now. Just show you over here. Here's your steering column, all well detailed. You can see even the clips are how they should be. So beautiful. This one is an automatic car, so it has the option, the 2-speed automatic. All right, close that hood. Let's make our way to the front here now on the side. We'll jump up here. I'll show you the paint here. So the car has already had its paint correction. So we did the 5-stage polish, the wet sand, everything we needed to do to make this look fabulous. It was a great car to start with, but we just took it to the next level. Here's your windshield here. Again, that wraparound, rearview mirrors on the dash, and the beautiful bumps on the dash there. Windshield wipers, and it has the optional windshield washers. You got the vents here for style, and we'll come back down here now. You can see it looks wonderful. And then here's your coves painted white or ivory, just beautiful. We'll take a look at the front of this car now. It's got the single headlights, and they are the T3 headlights. I don't know if you can see it in there, just the way they came. The beautiful turn signals here, and the beautiful, beautiful chrome bumper and grille, I should say. Same Corvette emblem as the rear. Here's your hood with the nice bumps on the hood for style. Looking great. Turn it again, show you the wheels on this side. I'll show you underneath the front of it while we're here as well. So you can see all the markings. It has 4-wheel drum brakes, just how it came. We'll have detailed photos of this entire car online. If you go to our website, here's your front wheel here, and then your rear wheel here. We'll take a look at the door panel on this side, so it matches the other side. So again, your door release, you got your power windows, power lock, that nice texture there, your armrest, nice metal down here. If you look here, the jambs look all nice and tidy. Underneath, you can see it looks great. All the weather stripping's been replaced. Door jambs, here's your VIN code there. Jambs look great over here. And then coming over here, we'll check out the pedals. So you got 2 pedals, it's an automatic. That was a factory upgrade. Here's your carpet. And we'll scan the condition of the seat here. You can see it's brand new. Very nice. Okay, before we hop in the car, we'll take a look at the dash over here. So it's got the painted dash, the metal dash. There's your rearview mirror. Check out all the beautiful gauges here. So you got a lot of chrome. So here's your chrome emergency parking brake, I should say. And then we have your hood release here. That's that chrome there. We got the convertible top. Here's your headlights, your windshield wipers. And then here's your speedometer. And you can see the mileage on the car is 74,614 miles. That's what they used back then. It's believed to only have 63 miles since the restoration on this car. So very clean car. Down here you can see the e-brake light. That was an option as well. Defroster, a heater, that was an option. It's got the Wonderbar stereo, so it's got the Seek. So that's an option as well. And then we have your air controls there and your cigarette lighter here. I'll show you there. Here's your key. And then we have the gauges here. So your fuel gauge, your temp gauge, your tack, battery, oil, and your clock here. All the gauges work as they should. Right in the center of the passenger is your speaker grill. And then here's your automatic transmission. So it's the Power Glide 2-speed automatic. Over here we got a chrome handle. I'll pull that down. That puts that air vent up. So we'll take a look at that in a bit. And we'll close the door now as we hop in the car. Check out the steering wheel here. It's got the matching steering wheel with the 3 spokes. And you can see the white column matches the white dash here. And let's go ahead and start the car. So motor is cold, hasn't been running. So we'll turn it up and we'll start it here. You can see I didn't even pump the gas, it started right up. So beautiful, runs like a top. I'll go ahead and open the door here. I'll give it a couple revs for you guys. Here it runs well. And I'll hop out of the car here. And we'll start over here now. I want to show you, here's your spare tire. So this is the bias ply, so that's your spare in your trunk. And we have a full set for the cover for. And then here we have the auxiliary top to your hard top. It matches the seats there. The chrome looks great. And you can see how beautiful the paint is here. It matches, and it comes with a stand as well. We also have the cover for the car. When you walk around, you can see the vents sticking up there. And we'll get to a stationary spot here. Now listen to the exhaust here. Again, the motor is cold, so it's doing its thing, but it just purrs. So here we have it. This is a 1956 Corvette convertible with every absolute factory option. It's been restored frame off, nut and bolt, and is painted in Venetian red for white coves. 6 colors available. This was the most popular. 30% of the 56 Corvettes were produced in this color, and only 3,467 kilometers are Corvettes in production in 1956. So this is a rare breed of a car. So here we have it. This is here and available at monrealmotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.